Hello, today I'm going to tell you about my favorite book. Actually, my favorite book is a comic book, and its name is Slam Dunk. It's a comic book about playing a basketball game. I had known this Slam Dunk by the movie. One day my parents told me to watch a movie named Slam Dunk, and I really liked it. And few days later, my friend take a Slam Dunk book, and I borrowed it and read the book, and it became the best book to me. And now I am going to talk about the Slam Dunk more. Slam Dunk came into the Korea at 1991. The bestseller at 2023 is Slam Dunk, and I have 276 types of book, and 24 types become the movie. And I also have one more book, and this is the book named Romance of Three Kingdoms. I had known this book because of my parents and because of the movie. First I watched a movie about it, and I had known about it. And when my parents gave me a Romance of the Three Kingdoms book, it became one of the favorite book. Thank you for listening.